In this video, I'll be showing you how to go incognito on iPhone. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, this can be very useful because let's say you wanted to search something, but you don't want anyone seeing what you searched, or you don't want to see your searches again. It's very simple to do, just for some added privacy, and you can do it on any iPhone you have. So all you want to do is go ahead and open up Safari. On the bottom, you're going to see a few different icons, and you want to go to the rightmost icon where it has like the two kind of squares. And once you click on that, as you can see, it says one tab right now on the bottom, but next to it is going to say private. Notice it says private browsing. It says this adds additional privacy protections for tabs. So all I want to do is press the plus icon on the bottom left, and now I'm in private browsing. I can even add the private relay if you have iCloud Plus as well, which adds some extra protection to you, but I'm not going to do that. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, you can access anything, and then when you want to close something, like say I want to close this tab, you literally just click on that same square icon on the bottom right. Then I can close the tab, and there's no history or passwords or anything like that that's going to be saved. But if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through, and you might find something you didn't know about yet.